Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to walk you through how to control sound settings in the Waze app on your phone. Whether you want full voice guidance, just alerts, or complete silence, this tutorial will help you customize your navigation experience quickly and easily. First, open the Waze app on your phone. Next, tap the three horizontal lines located in the top left corner of the screen. Then scroll down and select Settings from the menu options. Now, tap on Voice and Sound. Here, you'll find all the sound control options available in Waze. Finally, choose your preferred sound setting. You can select On if you want full voice directions, Alerts only if you want to be notified about things like police or traffic without full navigation prompts, or Off to completely mute the app. And that's it. Now you know how to control sound settings in the Waze app. This lets you drive with the exact amount of guidance you need. Thanks for watching.